Have you ever wondered why sometimes you suddenly feel hungry, sleepy, stressed, super happy, or emotional for no reason? Why you wake up fresh on some days and tired on others? Why you crave junk food or feel angry even when nothing has happened? The answer is hormones. Hormones are chemicals in your body that silently control almost everything you do. They influence your feelings, thoughts, energy, weight, sleep, hunger, confidence, and even your relationships. In this video, we are going to explore the hormones that control your life, how they affect your daily behavior, and what you can do to keep them balanced. I will explain everything in simple language so anyone can understand. First, what exactly are hormones? Hormones are chemical messengers. They are produced by glands like the brain, pancreas, thyroid, ovaries, testes, and adrenal glands. They travel in your blood and give signals to different parts of your body. Just one small change in a hormone level can change your mood, appetite, sleep, energy, and health. Now, let's look at the most powerful hormones in your everyday life. The first hormone is dopamine. Dopamine is your reward and motivation hormone. It is released when you achieve something, eat delicious food, win a game, get likes on a post, or listen to music you enjoy. It makes you feel proud and motivated. But artificial dopamine from junk food, video games, and social media can make you addicted. Your brain starts depending on quick dopamine hits instead of real achievements. Healthy ways to increase dopamine include completing tasks, setting goals, exercising, doing hobbies, and listening to music. The next hormone is serotonin, often called the mood stabilizer. Serotonin keeps you emotionally balanced, relaxed, and happy. If serotonin is low, it can lead to depression, anxiety, and a negative mindset. Sunlight, exercise, meditation, good sleep, and healthy food help boost serotonin naturally. Now let's talk about oxytocin. Oxytocin is often known as the love hormone or bonding hormone. It is released when you hug someone, hold hands, spend time with family or pets, or help others. It builds emotional connection, trust, and love. Oxytocin is strongly released in mothers when they hold their babies. Even a simple act like giving someone a hug can release oxytocin and reduce stress. Next comes cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol is useful when your body is in danger because it increases alertness and energy. But modern life gives us constant stress, so cortisol stays high most of the time. High cortisol causes weight gain, anxiety, sleep problems, hair fall, low immunity, and mood swings. To lower cortisol, you need to reduce stress, sleep properly, spend time in nature, talk to someone you trust, exercise, or meditate. Another important hormone is melatonin, the sleep hormone. When it gets dark, melatonin increases and tells your brain that it's time to sleep. But using phones or screens late at night blocks melatonin and confuses your brain. That is why many people cannot sleep easily. The best way to support melatonin is to avoid screens before bed, sleep in a dark room, and follow a proper sleep routine. Now let's talk about hunger hormones. Ghrelin is your hunger hormone. It rises when your stomach is empty and tells your brain to eat. On the other hand, leptin is your fullness hormone. After eating, leptin signals your brain that you are full. When these hormones are balanced, you eat normally. But junk food, stress, and lack of sleep can confuse these signals, making you overeat even when you're not hungry. Insulin is another extremely important hormone. It moves sugar from your blood into your cells. If insulin does not work properly or you eat too much sugar, your cells stop responding to insulin, which leads to diabetes and weight gain. You can balance insulin by reducing sugar, eating healthy meals, and staying physically active. Then we have thyroid hormones. These hormones control your metabolism, energy, weight, and body temperature. If your thyroid is slow, you may feel tired, gain weight, or have hair fall. If your thyroid is too fast, you may lose weight, feel anxious, and have a fast heartbeat. Your thyroid needs nutrients like iodine and selenium to work properly. Adrenaline is another powerful hormone. It is released in situations of danger or excitement. It gives you instant energy, increases your heartbeat, and sharpens your focus. It prepares your body to fight or run away, but too much adrenaline due to stress can cause anxiety and high blood pressure. Next are estrogen and testosterone. Estrogen is higher in women and testosterone is higher in men, but both genders need both hormones in the correct amount. These hormones affect mood, muscles, bones, skin, brain function, confidence, and reproductive health. An imbalance can lead to mood swings, weight issues, and emotional changes. Finally, we have endorphins. Endorphins are natural painkillers and happiness boosters. They are released when you laugh, exercise, dance, or eat dark chocolate. They help reduce sadness, stress, and pain. Now that you know about these hormones, here's the most important part. You don't need expensive pills to balance hormones. Simple lifestyle changes make the biggest difference. To keep your hormones stable, sleep well, eat real food, avoid too much sugar, exercise daily, reduce stress, limit screen time, spend time with real people, and do activities that make you genuinely happy. Your hormones are working 24 hours a day. If you take care of your body, your hormones will take care of you. If this video helped you understand your body better, please like, share, and subscribe for more health and science videos in simple language. Thank you for watching, and remember, when your hormones are balanced, your life is balanced.